Set between Playa de las Americas and Los Cristianos, Gran Oasis Resort offers a stylish, family-friendly stay in the south of Tenerife. This apartment-style resort blends modern comforts with a peaceful, upmarket vibe. The duplex suites and apartments are spacious and well-equipped, with kitchenettes and private terraces, perfect for families and couples alike. The pool area is beautifully laid out, with a main lagoon-style pool, kids' pool, and plenty of lounges. There's even a rooftop sun terrace for those seeking quieter relaxation. The restaurant and snack bars offer a good range of food options. And the resort's all-inclusive package makes everything super convenient. With a kids club, games area and daytime entertainment, there's plenty for all ages. Plus, a shuttle bus to the beach and town centres makes exploring easy. For a comfortable, stylish stay in Tenerife, Gran Oasis Resort is a fantastic choice.